Okay, it's recording. It's on. So on the left side, there are six problems. I said problems, not problems. Okay, here we go. First one, 4 divided by a third. Let's see. So let me get that. So 4 divided by a third. You have 4 units, 4 of something. Let's do, I'll interchange between circles and rectangles, okay? So since I already drew a circle, 4 divided by a third. A good way of to think about this is how many 1/3s are in 4? Well, how many 1/3s are in 4? Well, why don't we find out? Let's break each of them into thirds. Thirds, thirds, more thirds, and a last third. Count them off. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many 1/3s are into 4? There are 12. Okay? So you can read this as 4 divided by a third, or for this case, I think if we think about how many 1/3s are in 4, I think it's a little easier to grasp. Okay? 2, 7 divided by a fourth. Ooh, who made these numbers? Okay, so here we go. 7 divided by a fourth. So again, if you think about how many 1/4 are into 7, and in this case, let's do rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, and one more rectangle. And we want to know how many fourths are in 7 whole units. So let's break everything to fourths. Break everything into fourths. 2, 3, 4, half, 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 half. Break that in half. Break each half in half. Here you go. So count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can fast forward. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You're still with me? All right. So if you had 7 units, or let's say 7 chocolate bars, and you cut each chocolate bar into 4 pieces, into fourths, you would have a total of 28 pieces. Okay? I'm moving. I'm skipping 3 because I'm not doing that. It's too long. I will do 4. 3 divided by 3/4. You can still think how many 3/4 are into 3. So this one, okay, so let's draw circles because I already started. So 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles. And the denominator here tells me I'm going to break them into 4s. Break into 4s, break them into 4s, and break them into 4s. So over here, I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to, is there a shading button here? No, there isn't. I'm going to take pink, and I'm going to show you what 3/4. This is what 3/4 looks like. Not, well, there we go, 3/4. So how many times can I fit this particular shape right here? Black, black, black. Here, right here. I'm going to highlight this shape. This piece right here, that's 3/4. Wow, sorry. Okay, that's 1/4, another fourth, and another fourth, 3/4. So how many times can these 3 pieces fit in here? Well, it can fit here 1 time, and I'll shade it. Actually, I'll do it by shading. So if I shade 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, I just did it 1 time. Let me take another color. I try 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So far 2 times. Take another color. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I was able to fit it 1 more time. And lastly, can I fit it 1 more time? I believe I can. 1, 2, 3. So how many times was I able to put 3/4 into 3? 1, the blue is 2, the pink 3, and the black here 4. So the answer is 4 times. Okay. Let's do another one. Yay. Let's do 6. number 5, I'm sorry, number 5. Number 5 is 6 divided by 3/5. So I'm not going to use circles, I'm going to use boxes. 1, 2, 3. So chocolate bars. Okay, here's a good question. So you have 6 chocolate bars. You want to make servings of 3/5 of a chocolate bar. So each serving that you're going to give out is made of 3/5. How many servings can you give out? So let's cut this up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's take a color here. So you have 6 whole chocolate bars. So this is what you're interested in. This is your whole chocolate bar, and you want to make pieces that are of this size, 3/5. So how many times can you cut 3/5 out of all of these? Let's start. So there, you can give one person 3/5. You can give a second person 3/5. That's, you can give a third person another 3/5. You can give another person 1, 2. That's 3/5 again. You can give one more person 1, 2, 3. And then at the bottom, let's see if you can do more. Yes, you can do. That's another 3/5. So another friend of yours is going to get 3/5 of a chocolate. One more person will get 3/5. There's 2 over there, which this one is 3/5. Another person will get 3/5. Oh, I should have changed colors. So 3/5 right here. Another person will get another 3/5. That's 1/5 plus another 1/5 plus another 1/5. That's 3/5. And finally, yay, you can make one more. So no leftovers. So you think about all these 3/5 that you were able to make. So there's 1, 2, 3 pink, 4 orange, 5 green, 6 another, this light rosé 7, this 8 pink, the 9 blue, and the 10 red. So if you had 6 whole chocolate bars and you breaking them up into 3/5, you'd be able to make 10 little portions over here. Okay, I'll do one more. Clear annotations on the left side is 4 divided by 4/5. And again, I'll do squares, rectangles, sorry. And 4, and another 4 over here, so that you have 4 whole chocolate bars. And this time, let's draw what we want to see. We want to see, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to break chocolate into pieces that are made of 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to break them up into pieces of 4/5. That's a size that you want to give away. So from here to here. Okay. So how many 4/5 can you have in here? So let's cut first of all our chocolate bars into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if you want to give out to your friends 4/5, you don't want to give your friends the whole chocolate bar, but you're going to give them 4/5. So here is your first 4/5. So one friend, okay, 1. Another friend is going to get another 4/5. So let's take one piece, 2, 3, another 4/5 right here. So 2 people so far. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another 4/5. So let's call that 3. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So another 4, another friend. So that's 4 friends. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay, no left over again. So, and that's my last grouping of 4/5. So how many friends can you give this out to? 5 people would be able to get 4/5 of a chocolate each. Okay. That's pretty nice. On the right side, let's do right side. Clear annotations. Let's do the first one. Really, the first one? Fine. 2/5 divided by 2. In this one, I don't want you to think about how many times 2 going to 2/5 because it doesn't. Not the whole thing. Part of it does, but I rather just think about 2/5 and dividing it to 2 friends. Okay, so let's do 2/5. So 2/5 means you have a whole chocolate bar cut into fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you only have 2/5. That's all you have. These two, because the rest I ate it. So 2 friends come over and they want to take what you have left over here. Well, that's easy enough. Friend 1 gets this for one friend, and the other friend gets this one. So this one was easy. No arguments, no favorites. Each friend gets the same amount. So what did this friend get? He got 1 piece out of the how many that we had initially? Out of the 5. So 2/5 divided by 2 equals 1/5. Clear annotations. Let's pick another one. How about 3? 3/4 divided by 2. Let's use a circle this time, or an egg. Yes, an egg is fine. So 3/4. Let's first shade 3/4. I wish I knew where. Maybe this. What is this? Oh, look at that highlighter. All right, so there's my highlighter, sort of. I don't know what that is. And let's represent 3/4. So that's 2/4 or half, and 3/4 will be this. So 2 people come to you and say, wow, look at all that pizza that you have left over. You have 3/4 of a piece left over. How are we going to split this up? Well, to make it fair, we'll cut this in half. Cut this in half. Oops. Cut that in half. Cut the last one in half. And we also have to cut even that piece or that area that's not there. Okay, we have to cut that. All right, so now how many will each of your 2 friends get? So 2 friends come over and say, can we have the rest of the pie? You can say yes. So friend 1 will take this one. That's the first friend. He'll take all those 3, and friend 2 will take the bottom 3. Will they take the same amount? Yes, they will. So what did they each get? So the first guy here, your first friend, he got 3 slices out of a total of, let me see how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of the 8 possible slices that were available, he took 3, and the other friend took 3 as well. So they each got 3/8. So if you had 3/4 left over and you had to divide it by 2, your answer would be 3/8. Let's see. Half divided by 4. Let's do 6. Number 6. A half divided by 4. Well, it's the easiest one to draw. All right, circle or an egg. Let's represent what you do have. I have half, and half will be shown. I wish I could. Half will be shown with this color right here, which is the same color as before, but it's okay. So here's half. That's how much I have. Half of something. Half of, I guess, a pizza. Half of the pizza. That's what I have. 4 people are gonna come over and say, "Hey, look at all that pizza left," and they're going to say, "Can we have it?" So how are we going to break this half of a pizza evenly among 4 people? I have an idea. Why don't we cut it into 4 slices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget, you have to do the same thing to the empty side as well. So now, first friend gets this, second friend gets this, third friend gets this, and fourth friend gets this. So what did they each get? Well, they each got 1 slice out of a possible 1/8. Okay. I will do one more. Pick one. 4. Why don't we do 5? Okay, so 5 says 5/6. Divisible 5 divided by 3. So 6, circle is really hard to do 6s. So, well, 6, you could do 60 degrees, 60, well, no, let's just do a rectangle. So here's your rectangle. And we're going to cut this in 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's shade what we have. Well, what we do have is 5. So I don't have, I have 1, 2, so it's a chocolate bar. I cut it into 6 pieces. I ate 1, and I currently have 5. And I should have made this a little bigger. Okay, so it's okay. 3 friends come over and they want to share this. Obviously, I have 5, and I can't split 5 into 3 people for 3 people evenly. So why don't we take every piece and cut them into 3? So let's cut this first piece over here into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Cut the second one into 3 parts. Cut the third one to 3 parts. And the last one to 3 parts. So friend number 1 will get this one, this one, this one, and this one. Friend number 2 will get this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And friend number 3 will get this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece. Okay, so each friend got this size. Okay, the size of the chocolate bar, and the last. Okay, so let's see what each friend got. So take a look at one of them. Let's take a look at friend number 1. What did he get? He got, ooh, what did I forget? I forgot to cut the last one. Even the blank one should be cut. So what did the first friend get? He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He got 5 pieces. 5 pieces out of a possible how many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, out of a possible 18 pieces. Did everybody get the same amount? Did friend 2 get 5 out of 18? Yes, he did. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 18. And the last friend also got 5 out of 18. Okay. And this was 5 or 6. And I think that's it. All right, I'll do one more. I have a little bit of time. I have to work in the evening tonight. So I don't leave until 4:40. So 2/5 divided by 4. Let's do this. 5th. Oh, 5th rectangles again. So let's do rectangles. I'll make a bigger one. Here's your rectangle. And let's cut them into 5ths. 1, 2. Ooh, wow, really ugly 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not bad. And what do we have? We have 2/5. So let's shade 2/5 with this ugly color. Or not. There we go. 2/5. So sticking with the same chocolate bar, you have 2/5. Can you tell? I kind of skipped art class. Anyways, 2/5 divided by 4. So you got 2 of these pieces, and 4 friends come over and want to say, hey, can we take those remaining 2 pieces that you have? Yes, they can, but how are we going to split this up evenly among all 4 of them? So why don't we take each one and cut them into 4s? All right, this time I'm going to cut them a different way. So I'm going to take the first one, and the first one goes all the way up to here. I'm going to take it and cut it into 4 pieces. Take it, cut it like this, and I'm going to cut it again. Do I have 4 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And I'm going to take the second one and also cut into 4 pieces. Okay, so you got 4 friends. If you have 4 friends, and how many do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have 8 available pieces and 4 friends that you can each take 2. So this, I'm going to write, goes to friend 1. Friend 1 takes these 2. Friend 2 takes these 2. Friend 3 takes these 2. And friend 4 takes those last 2. That's fair. So, again, these that are already taken and not available anymore, you still have to cut them. So you're going to go here and cut them in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to take the middle one and cut them into half, which makes it into 2s, and then cut each half into 2s again. 4. And cut everything into 4s. Good. So 2/5 divided by 4 friends. Each friend will take what? He took 2 pieces. Out of how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Out of 20. Can we simplify that? Yes, we can, to 1 over 10. Either or. Same thing. And this is it. That's it. Okay, hopefully this helped. Okay. here is, oh, I forgot to say something. How's this? I gotta think of something. Huh. If you watch part 2, you'll see this in the card. Pretty cool, right? All right, that's it. Oh, and that is, what do you call the word I want you to memorize?